everyone. When we talk with somebody, we should always consider first the words that we are about to say. What are the contents that we have to consider when we communicate with others? Of course, it's the words that we use. These should be respectful. These should be polite. And these should always be considerate of how others may react to what we have said. Just like in cooking, salt is an important ingredient. And in our conversations, our values, the way we speak, our tone, is also an important ingredient in creating a meaningful conversation with others. When we create conversations that are meaningful, we are able to unite ideas, express our thoughts properly, and also, this makes our society much more united and greater. How does this help us to answer everyone? When we speak, someone who speaks who is sure of what they're going to say can speak with confidence, and the conversation will be much more entertaining, encouraging, and it will go on. It will give us a much more wider viewpoint of the conversation or topic. So, when you speak with someone, always think of what you're going to say, because what you're going to say matters a lot. But also, don't forget about the important ingredient. It is grace. When we speak with grace, thanks, we show appreciation to the things that we have. Rather than when we speak with things like with negative things or complaints, what does that show? The person you're talking to will be discouraged to talk to you because the only thing you're talking about are complaints, rather than being thankful for what you have every day, rather than thanking God for the blessings that you receive or the good things that are happening around us. It is important in our world today that we spread grace and goodness. We should always consider that because today many things are happening around the world. And what does that show us? The only thing that are sticking in our mind are the negative things. But as people, it is important to show grace and spread the word of God, but also show kindness through every word we speak in order to create meaningful conversations.
Thank you very much.